Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to cook rice the traditional way in open pot method. Take 1 cup of rice, wash well in running water for 2 or 3 times. Then add 5 parts of water. Add a teaspoon of salt as well if you're cooking rice for variety rice, pulao or biryani. Cook covered in high flame for roughly 5 minutes until the water boils. Then cook uncovered in medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes until you get the required level of softness you want with rice. After the rice is cooked, close the lid and invert it over any bowl that fits the lid of the rice container. All extra starch is collected in the bowl. This is the healthy way of making rice as all extra starch is removed. Perfectly cooked soft rice is now ready. If you're preparing this for variety rice, pulao or biryani, then spread them in a white plate to cool completely before adding it to any sauce or gravies, so the rice grains remain separate without turning mushy. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting video. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.